welcome back. Today we're going to talk about area of shapes. So for the first part of area of shapes, we're going to look at a rectangle. And a rectangle, as we recall, is called a rectangle because it has 4 right angles. And a rectangle is going to be labeled with a couple of different dimensions. It's going to have length and width. So we'll call this the length, call this the width. And the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. So pretty straightforward. We're going to do length times width. In this example, we've got a rectangle with a length of 5 and a width of 12. I like to start with the formula. So length times width. So area equals 5 times 12. Area equals 60. And our units are going to be in centimeters. And that's going to be squared. A right triangle. Very important to note, a right triangle, it's got the right angle. The formula for a triangle is area equals 1/2 and base times height. An important note, base and height they have to form a 90-degree angle. So for example, in the right triangle, we've got, so this would be like the base and this would be like the height here. And so if I'm going to find the area, which equals 1/2 base times height, or we could do base times height divided by 2. Multiplying by half is the same as dividing by 2. So I'm going to plug this in, base 8 and height 13. So I've got 8 times 13 over 2 is going to give me 52, and my units are meters squared. All right, what if we have a different triangle here? We don't know what it is. We don't know if it's a right triangle, but we have to be given something that looks like this. Okay, because we know that the base and the height have to form a 90-degree angle. So sometimes they'll give you something that looks sort of like this, and what you'll have to do is you'll have to use that to kind of find your base and height. So in this case, base is this bottom here, and the height, they form a 90-degree angle. So the area going to be the same, 1/2 base times height, or base times height over 2. So let's look at this example here. And I'm going to draw in a height. And I'll give you that this is 8. And I'll give you that this is 10 down here. Well, my area is base times height divided by 2, which equals 8 times 10 over 2. So that'll give me 40. And there's no units in this one, so we're going to do just units squared. Okay? So that's the basics of area. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.